Hey, welcome to What We Thought. I'm Kevin, and Elizabeth is not with me today. I'm just going to do a quick how-to. For my job, I drive 300 to 500 miles a day. So I drive a 2017 Prius. I've got a Prime over here. And I got to tell you, the 2017 has a donut spare tire. The Prime just has that fix-a-flat stuff. Very frustrating. Anyway, and it never fails. I drive 300 to 500 miles a day. It never fails. When I get a flat tire, I am 150 miles away from home, and then I got to put a donut on and drive 50, 55 miles an hour. You don't want to drive any faster than that. So I'm going to show you today how you can fit a full-size spare in a Prius. Probably 70, if you have a donut spare, you can put a full-size tire, a spare tire in your Prius. So I'm going to show you real quick how that's done. Okay, so right there is my full-size tire. And what I'm going to do is you open your hatch back up, and of course you want to clean out your back. I carry a little bag of tools. I carry this Ryobi tire inflator. These things work incredible. You have a rechargeable battery. I've used it many times whenever my tire is low. I also carry a little kit to a tire plug repair kit just in case. And since I have a Ryobi battery, I carry a Ryobi battery flashlight, and of course some gloves. So let me take these out and we'll show you how to make that spare fit. Okay, got it empty. So all you got to do is lift up this part. There's a little lever there to open it, and that's what yours should look like. You think you don't have a spare, well, it's underneath this. This one does come with a front license plate. We don't use them in New Mexico. So you want to take this out. This lifts right out, and there is your spare tire right there. Okay, so let me take that out. Just unscrew it right here. Okay, and lift it right out. And there's that darn donut spare tire. All right, so full-size tire. Just lift it up. And it actually does fit there. If you want it screwed down, this is not long enough. You'd have to get one with a longer bolt. So you can just keep that to the side, put that down, and it fits flat again. It's that easy. And that way, with a full-size spare, you can drive the speed limit. If you're doing 70 on the interstate, you can still drive 70. All right, that's how easy it is. Okay, so that's my quick video on how to get a full-size spare tire in your Prius. I had a 2016 before, it fits in the 2016. I have the 17, and I don't know what year. I tried looking up what year they stopped doing that and doing just that repair thing. It's terrible for that Prime, but the Prime, actually, it wouldn't fit a spare tire because of the battery that's in the back, but it charges up. Now, the only thing you want to do is this piece here that you take out does not fit back in there, and hang on to it. Put it in your shed or wherever you can store it, and in case you ever sell the car, then you could put the donut back in, or show them the benefit of having a full-size spare. All right, thanks for watching What We Thought. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and join us on our journey on this channel. We're going to do all kinds of stuff, how-tos, DIYs, home decorating, product reviews, maybe some restaurant reviews. Of course, it would be limited probably here to where we live. So anyway, don't forget to hit subscribe. I hope you have a great day.